In today's video, I'll show you how to create a cold, icy opening where frost-like elements rush onto the screen and reveal your video in a dramatic way. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is already placed on the timeline. Since this is an opening effect, it works best when applied right at the beginning of the clip. Now, tap on the video clip to select it. Once selected, go to the bottom toolbar and tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your clip appears at the start, which is exactly where this frosty reveal should be applied. Scroll through the list of animations until you find Gushing Frost, then tap on it to apply the effect. As soon as it's applied, you'll see icy frost elements flowing across the screen and gradually revealing the video underneath, giving it a cold and cinematic look. To control how strong this effect feels, use the duration slider at the bottom, drag it to the left for faster and more intense motion, or drag it to the right for a smoother and more atmospheric reveal. Preview the animation a few times and adjust the duration until the timing feels right with your footage. And that's it. You've successfully added a frosty reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.